Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the common name for sodium bicarbonate? Is it A. Table salt, B. Baking soda, C. Bleach, or D. Dolomite? The answer is B. Baking soda.
Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household staple. Beyond its culinary uses, it can extinguish small grease fires due to its ability to release carbon dioxide when heated. In ancient Egypt, a similar compound called natron was used in mummification and as an early form of soap.
Question 2. Who discovered the structure of DNA? Is it A. Linus Pauling and Merle Harding, B. Albert Einstein and Richard Feynman, C. James Watson and Francis Crick, or D. Gregor Mendel and Ernest Rutherford? The answer is C. James Watson and Francis Crick.
James Watson and Francis Crick famously discovered the double helix structure of DNA in 1953. However, their breakthrough was significantly aided by Rosalind Franklin's X-ray diffraction images, particularly Photo 51. Despite her crucial contribution, Franklin's role was largely unrecognized during her lifetime, sparking ongoing debates about scientific credit and recognition.
Question 3. The fins of what sea creature are made into a soup? Is it A. Dolphin, B. Orca, C. Whale, or D. Shark? The answer is D. Shark.
Shark fin soup, a delicacy in Chinese cuisine, has been consumed for over 1,000 years and was once reserved for emperors due to its rarity. Despite its luxurious reputation, the fins themselves are nearly tasteless. The soup's flavor comes from other ingredients like chicken or pork broth.
Question 4. Which of these can be found in the knee? Is it A. Amygdala, B. Adenoid, C. Trochanter, or D. Meniscus? The answer is D. Meniscus.
The meniscus is a C-shaped piece of cartilage in the knee that acts like a shock absorber, cushioning the joint during movement. Interestingly, ancient Greek physicians believed it was responsible for controlling emotions, as they thought it resembled a crescent moon and linked it to lunar influences on human behavior.
Question 5. What is proctology the study of? Is it A. The functions of the nervous system, B. Crime, C. Grasses, or D. The hind regions, rectum, anus, colon, and pelvic floor of the body? The answer is D. The hind regions, rectum, anus, colon, and pelvic floor of the body.
Proctology, often humorously dubbed the rear end of medical specialties, delves into the fascinating world of our body's final frontier, the rectum, anus, colon, and pelvic floor. Despite its cheeky reputation, proctologists play a crucial role in diagnosing and treating conditions that can significantly impact one's quality of life.
Question 6. What is the word for medicine that hastens the emptying of the bowels? Is it A. Laxative, B. Anti-inflammatory, C. Suppository, or D. Analgesic? The answer is A. Laxative.
The word laxative comes from the Latin laxare, meaning to loosen. Ancient Egyptians used castor oil as a natural laxative, while in medieval times, rhubarb was a popular choice. Today, laxatives come in various forms, including pills and teas, offering relief to millions with digestive woes worldwide.
Question 7. What is the word for a young moose? Is it A, a kit, B, a lamb, C, a caterpillar, or D, a calf? The answer is D, a calf.
A young moose is called a calf, and these adorable creatures can weigh up to 35 pounds at birth. Despite their hefty size, moose calves are surprisingly agile swimmers. Within just a few days of being born, they can swim across lakes and rivers with ease, following their mothers on aquatic adventures.
Question 8. How many bits in a byte? Is it A, 4, B, 8, C, 2, or D, 10? The answer is B, 8.
In the world of computing, a byte consists of 8 bits, forming the basic unit for data storage. This octet can represent 256 different values, 2 to the power of 8, which is why it's perfect for encoding a single character in ASCII. The term byte was coined by Werner Buchholz in 1956 during early IBM computer development.
Question 9. What type of matter is a positron? Is it A, fluid matter, B, dark matter, C, matter waves, or D, antimatter? The answer is D, antimatter.
A positron is the antimatter counterpart of an electron, possessing the same mass but a positive charge. When a positron encounters an electron, they annihilate each other in a burst of energy, typically producing gamma-ray photons. This fascinating process is utilized in PET scans to help visualize metabolic processes in the body.
As we orbit out of this episode, remember, in the universe of trivia, knowledge is your gravitational pull. Stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.